Hello, my name is Quaidhaven. It's my first time using pygame to make a game. Let me show you what the program does. It's a little whack-a-mole game. I made a little Halloween theme because I'm making this during Halloween time. Or I made it during Halloween time. A little bit after now. It has some sound effects, but it's just a normal whack-a-mole type game. Anyway, I have some dimensions here for the game itself, the screen size, for the GUI, the frames per second, make a clock, initialize it with pygame, and the mixer to make some for the sounds. I have some conditions set up for like how long I'm having it be a spider. I'm just calling it a spider. I mean, it doesn't look like a mole or a spider. I'll probably make a sprite later if I continue with the project, but little sprite for that spider looking sprite for it. But anyway, some track set blocks for the sounds. I was having some problems with them earlier. A grid for the holes. This was interesting to set up. My previous experience was mostly with HTML, so the grids here are a bit different to set up. I think that I found them a bit more intuitive, like with how the numbers are lined up, and like on the left with like they're in columns, and on the right number it's set up in rows. It's interesting. But anyway, the just some things for the screen, put the screen state, and some more variables that need to be set beforehand. Most of it's being run through the functions. I got 3 main ones. I got render elements to actually make the screen, and I set up to like implement the grid, to like throw everything up, put up the score, just make everything in the place it needs to be. I got spawn spider to actually throw up the spider and figure out like which hole to put it into. Possible indices is doing a lot of the heavy lifting for me. It's making sure that the spider is going through and finding an index it hasn't been in before. If not possible, it kicks me out of that. Active spider index throws up a random. That's when like it's choosing the next one randomly from picking from the possible indices that are available, and then last spider action time is pulling from the pygame time, getting ticks. A lot of the pygame implementation is actually just trying to. It's figuring out like timing wise. It's a lot of the clocks, because it's very important for game function to be in time with like the play for it to actually work. Then with check spider timing is just checking for how long the spider's been up. And like utilizing a lot of that to how long it's up, how long it's been down, when it and when to put it, when to put it up, when to pull it down, while running. This is the heart of pygame. Like a program like this is all that's contained within a while loop, and it's pulling the current time. It's running through, keeping everything in time. Setting up the events, the mouse clicks, and interesting, when I was setting this up is interesting too, because it's like how it works is when I click on the grid, on the GUI, it uses the Pythagorean theorem is how I've set it up. So it takes the x and y coordinates and it like compares them to the to where the spider's coordinates, and then it it uses Pythagorean theorem to determine the distance. If it's within the radius, then it's a hit. If it's not, then it's a miss. Then I have some sound set up. So play if it hits and different things. But for all the misses. Then clock tick, that just figures out the frame rates, and then the quit, like this pygame quit and SYS quit to finish out the program.